Hello everybody, here at KFC in Essendon. Just got the Zinger double box. I've never had this before. It's a bunless burger. I'm pretty excited. Going with a classic Pepsi. And we'll crack into this box, hey? We'll have a look at what we got in here. Alright, so what do we got? Here we got. Ooh, what do we got? Ooh, we'll have a look in here. 3 wicked wings, some chips and gravy, and this is the piece de la resistance. How do I get into this? The double KFC, the double? Is it a double? I think I'm gonna go this way. Oh, package it, it's in that now. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, here we are. Okay, so evidently it is a burger with no bun, just 2 delicious pieces of Zinger. What looks like 2 slices of cheese, some sauce. We'll see how we go, hey? I'm gonna tuck in. It's gonna be great. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Yum. Truly revolutionary. No hassles of that bread. It's all flavor. Delicious. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 Would recommend. Definitely. Alright, I'm just gonna try classic mash and gravy dip. See how it goes. Mm. Mm mm mm. Mm mm. I have to say, I'm not big on KFC burgers, but this is a good vibe. The bunless burger. Anyway, I'm gonna get into this. So until next time, Richard reviews. Ciao.